on the JackJackPlays. I'm digging.
You're digging? Are we in a new spot? Yeah, are we in the woods?
Yeah.
Sweet.
And we're digging a hole. I'm in a mine.
You're making a mine?
I'm in a mine.
Molly, what are you eating grass again? Silly dog. Oh, Jack's digging. Lots of big rocks here, huh?
These rocks out of the way. You have to dump this road. Oh, it's very complicated. The dirt is clumpy.
Compy?
Clumpy.
Clumpy.
More rocks.
Girls, what are you doing? You're doing what?
Trying to
Hanging a hammock. Let's see how this goes. We're on our family vacation. Can you tell us about these stones in there?
They are going away.
They're going away. Where to?
To that house.
That house?
The big house. All these rocks.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna build a big house with all these rocks. So, we made some bad tracks. Look on the back of the truck. Look.
Show the kids.
Look on the back of the truck.
Yeah, what's there?
Look the rocks. Look
Cool.
the rocks. We're taking all these rocks away from all the machines here. This is mine where we are picking up all the rocks and they're going to taken onto the road. They have tracks. This track loader, look at the tracks that I made. You have to plow some of the dirt away off this side. This dirt. There. This rock, that rocks are going away now. The heavy ones are going. When I'm there, you say dump. Dump the load. Dumping it. All these rocks are here.
What's with the bed? It's dirty? Are we in a forest? Jack, are we in a forest?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Are you in a forest?
Whoa, what's this? I wonder what's inside of here. It's twitching. Surprise! It's a surprise hammock. It's got a Ruthie inside.
It's really comfy.
What are you doing, Molly? Jack, what's happening?
All the dirt is being taken away.
Are they in the hammock, Jack? Let's dig.
Yeah, let's dig. For more dirt. There. Now it's done. Up in this mountains. We are up in this mountain.
We are in the mountains. We're in a forest in the mountains.
Yeah, down there we're that sunny days.
If it seems a little dark here, kids, it's because we're under the shade of a whole bunch of trees. We're playing in the shade.
There's lots of bugs here.
Are they cool bugs?
There's disgusting bugs here.
They're disgusting? You're ridiculous.
And look at this dirt. It's fine cleaning up. Look at what's in this.
Here comes Molly.
2%. No, this time goes. It's petals off. Flower has petals.
What are those guys doing? Whoa, look how tall these trees are. Whoa, it's still going. Oh, who's in there? Who could it be? It's Jack.
I was playing in.
Now what are you doing, Jack? Getting rocks.
Look at this. Every rocks.
What do you plan on doing with those rocks?
I'm making a house.
Oh. What part is that?
That's blue.
Oh, Molly wants to see it.
So she wears a red one. She doesn't want to see it.
Oh, shit.
She's scared of the going rock. Going right over. This part. This is the floor. And all these rocks. And so I can carry them. Look. See rocks in there. Loads more rocks. Told you have to dig up the rock. Bring them. You have to dig up the rocks and bring them to me. I told you that. Oh, you can't always touch me. Ow. Not little rocks, big rocks. Oh, you have to get giant.
Holy smokes, that's a big rock.
You need room.
That's a huge rock, Jack.
I can hold them fit in this side. This rock is really heavy. Can you help dig up? Kids.
Yeah, the kids I think would love to help you dig a hole.
I'm getting the sand. Why are there bees going on me?
There's no bees.
I saw some bees going on me.
Mosquitoes can fly.
Can they walk and fly?
Yep.
Look at all those clouds.
Well, kids, I think we're going to let Jack keep building his house. We've got some awesome stuff coming up for you guys from our vacation. Jack, you want to say goodbye to the kids?
Well, don't forget Australia.
Don't forget Australia. And don't forget to give us a like.
And
And subscribe.
Stop.